In today's fast-paced digital world, doom scrolling has become a common habit, pulling us into a cycle of negativity and anxiety. This constant barrage of distressing news can significantly impact our mental health, leaving us feeling drained and overwhelmed. But what if we could reclaim our minds and shift our focus from scrolling to dreaming big? In this video, we'll explore the effects of digital distractions on our well-being and share practical strategies to enhance your mindset. Get ready to break free from the chains of negativity and discover how to cultivate a more positive, fulfilling life. Let's dive in and transform your scrolling habits into a journey of inspiration and growth. Doom scrolling refers to the habit of continuously consuming negative news online, often leading to feelings of anxiety and despair. In today's digital culture, this behavior has become alarmingly prevalent, with many people finding themselves trapped in a cycle of scrolling through distressing headlines. The psychological impacts of this constant exposure to negativity can be profound, contributing to increased stress, depression, and a skewed perception of reality. It's crucial to recognize and address doom scrolling, as awareness is the first step toward breaking free from its grip. By understanding its effects, we can take proactive measures to protect our mental well-being and foster a healthier relationship with the digital world. The digital age presents unique challenges for our mental health, particularly through the influence of social media and relentless news cycles. These platforms often amplify feelings of anxiety and stress, as we're bombarded with curated images and alarming headlines that can distort our reality. Additionally, the addictive nature of digital devices keeps us glued to screens, making it difficult to disconnect and recharge. This constant engagement can lead to burnout and emotional fatigue. To combat these effects, it's essential to prioritize digital detoxes and practice mindful consumption. By setting boundaries and being intentional about our online habits, we can reclaim our mental well-being and foster a healthier mindset. Breaking free from doom scrolling requires intentional strategies to set boundaries with technology. Start by designating specific times for checking news and social media, limiting your exposure to just a few minutes each day. Consider replacing screen time with alternative activities that promote mental well-being, such as reading, exercising, or practicing mindfulness. Engaging in hobbies can help shift your focus away from negativity and foster a more positive mindset. Additionally, aim to create a balanced digital diet by curating your online content. Follow accounts that inspire and uplift you, while unfollowing those that contribute to stress. By implementing these strategies, you can reclaim your mind and cultivate a healthier relationship with technology. Shifting your mindset towards positive aspirations begins with the importance of setting realistic and inspiring goals. These goals act as a roadmap, guiding you toward your dreams while keeping you motivated. To enhance this process, try incorporating visualization techniques. Imagine yourself achieving your goals and the feelings that come with that success. This practice can foster a positive outlook and reinforce your commitment to your aspirations. Remember, it's essential to take small, manageable steps toward your dreams, as progress builds confidence and momentum. Celebrate each achievement, no matter how small, and keep your focus on the journey ahead. With determination and a clear vision, you can turn your dreams into reality. Creating a supportive environment is crucial for achieving mental clarity and pursuing your goals. Start by surrounding yourself with positive influences, friends, family, or colleagues who uplift and inspire you. Engaging with these individuals can significantly enhance your motivation and resilience. Sharing your goals with friends or online communities can also provide accountability and encouragement, making your journey feel less isolating. Additionally, consider seeking out resources to find supportive groups or mentors who align with your aspirations. Platforms like social media, local meetups, or community centers can connect you with like-minded individuals. By fostering a network of support, you'll cultivate an environment that nurtures your growth and mental well-being. In summary, Reclaiming your mind from doom scrolling is essential for enhancing your mental well-being and fostering a positive outlook. Remember the key takeaways. Set boundaries with technology, engage in uplifting activities, and surround yourself with supportive influences. By implementing these strategies, you can shift your focus from negativity to dreaming big and achieving your goals. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing it with others who might benefit from these insights. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content and build a community focused on mental clarity and personal growth. Thank you for watching, and let's continue this journey together.